Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna presentation about my portfolio. So inside here, I will explain all of my project, also several of my skills, maybe, and then the thing that I do in this school. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go to the first slide. So the first slide is so the first slide is my CV. I mean temporary CV, only just for this time. So this is my CV. Haven't finished my CV. Haven't finished yet. So in here I put several of my skills, and I am student, and I put an experience and then skills, also my biography about me, or description of about myself, and I put my picture. So that's, yeah, common CV. Also, my age is 15 years old, and 13 November 2009 is my birthday. And my name is Aulia Fandi Putra Susanto. Okay, so next is table of content. So in table of content, this is the table of content of my portfolio. So let's we start from the seventh grade. Seventh grade has three point here: Scratch, Buildbox, and website. And then next in 8th grade we have multimedia and IoT. And then in 9th grade we have coding and internet, or maybe just the coding. Also after these three grade finish, so I will do English and Dinia. So yeah, that's the table of content of this portfolio. And then first it's going to be 7th grade in Scratch. Okay, so catching fruit. So this is my first project in Scratch. It's catching fruit. It's about a ball that catching a fruit and avoid as animals, yes, like bug or ladybug, yes, yeah, or insect. So in this game we become the ball that we can move it with right arrow or left arrow, or A and D for move the ball left and right, and catching the fruit until the point is enough, and then we win. If we catch the insect, so we will lose. And then next is adapt tidur game, or actually it's not a game, it's a presentation or slide game maybe. So in this game in this game we have two character, yes, two character. First is Bilal, and the second is the female one. So each character have different slide of sleep manner. If we choose Bilal, or the male one, we will get the slide of sleeping manner of for male or for boys. But if female, that's the sleeping manner for female, or yeah. So this game is simple. So we just click the character and then slide for knowing knowledge of manner before sleep. Then next is Take Me Out. So Take Me Out is a game about a cat that will that that need to go out from a room. So in this game we have two level. First level is inside a room, and then we need to search some diamonds. After we got some diamonds, the door will open. After that, we can go outside, we can go to the door, and then we go to the second level. In the second level, we need to answer three questions from this prize box. Yeah, so each box have different question, and then we need to answer it. And then if we can answer it, so the door will open, and then we can go. Next is Block Breaker. So Block Breaker is a game like Pong, but single player. If Pong have need two player, but if Block Breaker we need only one player, and we not fighting another ball, but we must break all of these block with a ball. So we control the ball using this black palette, so we can move it using right or left. arrow or A and D button. So this so we can control the ball go to this side or this side. If we finish a break all of the block, so we will win. But if the ball go down here, we not touch the ball, yeah, it will lose. Next is Frog Hop. So Frog Hop is a game about a frog that will jump to to a lily, and then jump to another lily. After that, go to the go to the finish. So in here, as you can see, there are two island, small island, and then several lilies. So we as the frog must control the frog to the lily, and then yeah, jump over. Yes. So we cannot use WSD or arrow keys like usual game, but we must need only one mouse. So we just click and then adjust the power of the jumping. Yes. Okay, so next is the defender. So the defender is about game. I mean, it's about tank that shooting another tank. So like a war game, but it's a tank. So this game has three difficulty. First is easy, medium, and hard. So in easy, just like usual thing. So we just shoot the minion of tank, and then after that, we and then a few seconds later or minutes maybe, the big tank or the boss will come out, and then we need to defeat it. If the medium level is the same, but faster, the boss will show faster. If the hard one also more faster than the medium one. Okay, so this game has two skin. So these two skin is can different the bullets. If this the normal skin is here, if orange or yellow, it's only shot 1, 2, 3. But if we can change to be the I mean maybe kind of gray, or yeah, kind of grayish, that the bullets have three directly. So yeah, like that. So that will increase our win rate. So that's all from the defender. And then the next one is Ninja Fruit. So Ninja Fruit is about a game that we slashing a fruit and avoid ourselves to slash the bomb. So if we slash the fruit, we will get point. If we slash the bomb, will not get point, and the bomb will explode, and then we will lose. So catching fruit have two modes. So the first mode is the normal mode. We slashing using our mouse. If the second mode, we slashing with our hands. Really our hands. So the camera, your webcam will turn on, and then you just slashing the fruit, but don't slash the bomb. Yes, the camera mode is harder than the normal mode. Next is Bomber Cat. So Bomber Cat is a game about a cat again that put a bomb near with crab. So this cat is hates crab. So this cat we just move the cat and then put bomb near with some crabs or one crab, and then we just run away till the bomb explode. And yeah, do it that repeat that. Yes, repeat the thing, and then we will win after several points. Okay, next is Build Box. So the first game in the first list here is Jumping Cube. So Jumping Cube is about cube that jumping. You know Subway Surfer? So this is Subway Surfer but cube. So we just jump. I mean click. Yeah, so this game is point and click. So this game we just click cube and then the cube will jump. Then click again, jump again, jump again. Yes. And also we can turn right and left for forget the point. So the point is the yellow circle. If the thing that we can touch it is the triangle and red. Oh, and that game is infinite. So there are no wins. Same like Dino game. So Dino game is a game about a dino, like in Google Chrome when offline. So we can just jump, yes. So we just avoid the cactus, and then we can just crouch for avoid pterodactyl. So yeah, we just play as dino here, and it's infinite also. The score is infinite, so you cannot win, but there are high score, and also we can lose if we touch the cactus or the pterodactyl. Okay, so next is running ball. So running ball is like jumping cube, but this is ball and running. So the ball is running. The ball is running by itself. So the ball is like move automatically. So we just control it right and left. So as you can see here, same. If we touch the red thing, we can lose, and the score is by second, I think. And the next is switching ball. Switching ball is like running ball, but this is smaller and harder. So switching ball, as you can see in running ball, the map is big, but if switching ball, we just need this line, and if we touch the red one, we will lose. But if the green things here, we can get point, and this game is infinite also. Next is crossing road. So if you're familiar with crossing road, about chicken that crossing the road, so this the same thing, but this not a chicken, but it's a cube. So this cube will crossing the road, or in this case is just parkour to another cube. Yes. So this game can get point when you touch this white thing. So if we touch the white thing, we can both get point, and then we can win in this game. So this game has an end. Next is website. So the first website that I made in here is personal website. So personal website, uh, the instead of personal website is about myself. The website is about myself, and and you can see my project and my skill and my little bit biography about myself in this website. And you can know, you can see my YouTube videos, and it's always update. So yes, that's my personal website. Next is school website. So school website is a website about a school. So I made this for my old school, elementary school, that I school before I go to IDN. And then in here you can know what's the extracurricular and the teachers maybe, and also the facility inside the school, and maybe target maybe. Yes, the main point, the website is all about the school and also documentation. Next is mosque website. So mosque website is a website about a mosque, same like school website, but it's a mosque. So in this case, I pick Al Jabar from Bandung. So this mosque is very unique for me. So I just make it into a website. So in this website, we can know who is the owner of the mosque, or maybe the little bit history about the mosque, and then and then and then a biography in the mosque, and then the people that make this mosque maybe, or keeping this mosque. And next is A grade multimedia. Okay, so this flat illustration. So in this project I make a flat illustration, or a simple illustration in Figma or Vector. Yes, so I make a guy here that don't have a face, and yeah, this you can see here, just a simple a simple human illustration, no face, with hair, and then with uniform, and yeah, long pants, yeah, and yeah, that's all. So I make it in Figma with Vector. So this is the first time, and we use some sketch maybe, I don't. And then next is Akida poster. So this poster is A4 poster, and the inside is a dakwah about Akida. In this case, I make the thing. Yes, in this case I make dakwah poster is from a hadith or a surah, I remember. So yeah, so the point is A4 poster that you can put, that you usually you see it in outside. And then next is infographic. If you know the Tech News or liputan.com, they usually put infographic about something like, this one if is better than this or not. Yes, so in this case I put, is electric cars worth it or not. So as you can see from my infographic the advantage and disadvantage of electric cars, or the other infographic, the advantage or disadvantage of other things. So in here I make it in A4 size, but the inside is not a dakwah, it's about an infographic, is info. Yes. Next is Instagram poster. So Instagram poster is Akida poster, but we put in Instagram size. So we know what Instagram size of post. If you usually see some posts in Instagram, they usually square, so we make it square here. Next is visual merchandise. So this is about mockup. If you want, like, if you want to make some t-shirt brand or design, t-shirt design, or design, or, yeah, or cap design, you can use mockup. So we learn how to use mockup. I learned about how to use mockup in Figma, and yeah, this is the result. Make t-shirt, cap, and box. Next is 3D UI web. So this UI web, yes, UI UX about web, that the UI is 3D. We can call it 3D because we have like animation and it looks 3D. And in here I put about brand, and then the brand is and we can know anything from the brand, like the service or the about the brand, and then the newest product of the latest product of the brand. So yeah, I just put it like the UI. Then the next is digital manipulation. So if you know Photoshop, the people that use Photoshop usually edit picture. Yeah. So in here I edit a picture or edit a photo, but with not Photoshop. We have the bootleg one, is Photopea. So in this I make the big guy that fighting with a big monster, and the city is broken, and I make it looks realistic so people we can trust it, can believe with this picture. And then next is 3D design. So 3D design is a 3D design. I mean, I design a 3D things. So in here I make rocket in Tinkercad. So Tinkercad is a platform for we make a 3D design for free and easy, and for a kid. So in this I make a rocket with a cylinder here, and then triangle, and then some circle that looks like a rocket. Okay. Next is parallax effects. So parallax effect is editing video. Yes, we learn CapCut here. So parallax effect, when you focus on one thing, if you move it, the thing that in the background, it will move. So that's parallax effect. So we make it in CapCut. Next is about our video. It's basically a UFIT. but it's me. So I dakwah about a thing here. So I just edit my face and put some graphic so it's look more interesting. Next is profile company. You know, some company make a profile video of their company. So they explain how good their company, so people can believe on or buy products from them. So profile company is like cinematic video, but there is someone dubbing and give information about the company. Then next is UI UX. So if before UI UX about website, now UI UX about phone and application or e-commerce. So in here I make an app called My and I don't know. It's about a toys about an application that's selling a toys. So as you can see here, the basic color is orange and white, and then put some banner, animated banner here, and then we can actually scroll it and see what's inside my UI UX. Okay. And then next is IoT robotics. So first robotics project that I make is line follower. So we get a tiny bit. It's basically a robot with a big tire, and it can move by coding with the chip. So we can coding the chip. So I coding the chip, or we coding the chip can uh, can make the robot working but moving, but only in the black line. If he not detect a black line, so he will stop. And next is an RC. So we code the bot, the robot. We uh, code the robot so the robot can move only using a remote. If we touch left, the robot will go left. If touch right, right, and then up and opposite also. So yeah, that's the definition of an RC. So yeah, next is disaster alarm. So we put off the chip from the robot, and then put the robot away. So the chip we can coding to another thing. So we code the chip to detect some disaster. Yes. So we combine this chip with another sensor. So if the sensor detects something, so the chip uh, will show indicator here. So example, we put water sensor. If the water level is more than usually, so the chip will put a different indicator like not normal. So it will float. Then next is candy machine. So we use the chip for a candy machine. So we make a box here. Yes, a box like that looks like vending machine. It's a candy machine. So we put a we put uh yes, a penny inside the machine. So the sensor will detect the penny, and then after that the penny will get stored at the vending machine, and then the vending machine will give us candy. Next is greenhouse. So greenhouse is about house, but not green. So greenhouse is a house that inside is all of the plant. So that's how the house of plant. So greenhouse here with microbit is about uh, monitoring our plant. So our plants. So we can combine another sensor with this chip. So the sensor will detect the humidity of the plants, the Celsius or another. So we can know it with this chip. And with this chip, with this chip we connect to a third party. So we can see the monitor of the indicator. Next is husbandry. It's same like greenhouse, but this for a chicken. So we can know the humidity of the place of the of the place of the chicken, of the chicken. And then when the chicken has put egg, yeah. And then next is smart home. So this home is smart. So we can, this only an illustration. So as you can see, here is a moving sensor. Okay. So if someone move, and then the servo will open here. So it's mean if the sensor detect someone in outside, so the door will open. And if something happen, okay, or and the bell here, we can touch button here, and then the indicator will on, and then there is a buzzer that will turn on for a bell. Next is greenhouse 2. So this the advanced version of the greenhouse. So greenhouse 2 is actually same like the greenhouse, but this advanced version without so many sensor. Next is smart farm. So smart farm is farm. So we so this code we can put into one chip or one sensor or several sensor that will do all of this code. So this code is this code focus on like uh, pour water into the plant, and yeah, and then we can check the humidity or stuff. And then next is weather station. So weather station is about a chip, a sensor that detecting weather. So if it's hot, it will it will it will it will tell to us it's hot, and if very cold, it will tell to us it's very cold, and be careful for the raining. Next is from 9th grade is Android. So first I make a profile card. So this the mini version of my personal website, and I put it into an APK or application in Android. So in here we just know my face, and then my name, my birthday, and my project total, and the total of my project, the total of my client, and yeah, so many things, but not as many as the personal website. Next is radio. So radio app. So this is a Muslim radio app that we can listen it using live radio. So this radio is live, so you can know the thing. So there are several station, yes, several FM in radio, so we can listen it. Next is talk to me. So talk to me is basically a text to speech. So we put the text, and then we can press speech, and then the text, and then the system will say what we text. So like Google Translate. Next is Find My Edge. So Find My Edge is about an application that will find our edge, not the same like Edge. Only the system. I mean, we indicate as what. So in this there are three level: child, and then teenager, and then old man. Yes. So if we put in 13 January in 1995, so they will indicate as an old man. Next is calculate app. So calculate app is a calculator. Yes, but not only one calculator plus minus, and then another things, but we can use as counting a shape also, like circle, triangle, square, and rhombus, and other thing you can see here, and spare. Next is Bitaqwa app. So this is a Muslim app. The inside we can know where's the Qibla, and then what time for pray, and then yes, when the azan. Yes. Next is English project. So the first English project I make introduction. So in this guy will explain who is him, yeah, who is he, and then how old him, and then uh, and then Yeah, there are a lot, and his hobby. And then next is speech about Tauhid. So I speech about Tauhid, the importance of Tauhid. Next, I speech about the Friday shower. I speech again about attitude in backroom and bedroom. And then I speech about the greatness of our prophet. And then after this we get a lot of speech, except this. This is a short movie about prejudice. So I make a team. So we made a team for make a short movie like Aku Bisa Gufra maybe. Next is a random conversation. So we just do a conversation without any context. So we just talk normally but using English to improve our English. Next is podcast. So I podcast about IDN with my friends. So two people, if you know Deddy Corbuzier, they usually podcast, and I podcast with my friend. Next, podcast again, but different topic. I podcast about IT project in IDN. Next is short movie about prayer. So the same thing like Prejudice. So I make a team for make a short movie about prayer. Next, I made podcast again about startup. If you know what startup is like small people or small team that will make a company. Next is I speech again about Shirik, and then final project. So final project is three things inside this video. So first is interview. So this like the simulation of interview. And then next is describing project. So I describe all of the project that I did. And then next I describing one country. Next is about Dinia. Dinia, I tell Zero about our prophet. Start from his born till until he moved to Madinah. Next is I conversation, but I using Arabic. Then the next I dakwah video about salam. Next again I dakwah video about khutbah in Friday khutbah. And then I tell about the lineage of Rasulullah, start from Abdullah till the end. Next is Arabic conversation. So I conversation about Arabic again. Next I make hadith 1 till 5, and another hadith, and then I make motion graphic about 2 times of take rest, and then the short motion graphic about Badr War. Yes, about Badr War. And then next I make a hadith that I memorize again, and then a hadith again that I memorize. And then next I make azan video. I made azan video. Yes, so if you know in TV when Maghrib they make an azan video, and then I make a janazah video how to crowding the janazah. And then the next I make a zero video about Umratul Qadha, so you can watch it and know it the story. And then next I make Arabic conversation. Yes, this is like conversation Arabic but it's animation. Next I make a manner of in toilet or pooping. And then next I made a manner video about how to use slipper properly. Next make some dakwah poster and some akidah poster. And then thank you very much. So thank you very much for you guys that watching this video. So I'm sorry if I have some mistake. Last I said wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.